SR Blackbird was built for one purpose, which is speed, traveling at Mach 3.3, capable of crossing an entire continent in hours. At this speed, it can outrun missiles and enemies fighters. Now comes its rival, the SR-72, that is expected to reach speed of Mach 6, or double of the SR-71, traveling at about 4,600 miles per hour, capable of crossing the approximate 4,830 km of the Atlantic Ocean in 30 minutes. Also, at this speed is faster than missiles or intercepting devices. Let's examine the technology behind these two. The SR-71 used turbojet engine called the J-58 engines, which help it accelerate at lower speed, but mid-air, when it has attained speed of Mach 1, it switches to ramjet mode, a mechanism that works by compressing incoming air at high temperature, but this only works at supersonic speed. But the SR-72 takes it further with its TBCC, that is turbine-based combined cycle engine. This means it takes off with a turbojet also, but at supersonic speed. It uses the scramjet engine. This differs from the ramjet as it still burns fuel at supersonic speed, enabling it to reach Mach 6 as the SR-71 works by compressing the air. Compressing the air in this case is whereby airflow into the engine is slowed to increase its pressure before entering the combustion chamber, but the SR-72 don't do that. Combustion chamber is where the fuel is mixed with the compressed air, which produces the thrust, and the SR-71 wasn't always invincible to radar, but that is not the case, as even when detected it can outrun any threat. But the SR-72 has a stealthy shape and special material, making it harder to detect. Even if it appears on radar, it is far gone before the enemies can prepare to attack. Let's examine the purpose. The SR-71 was built for spy missions, to gather intelligence from enemy's territory undetected with its advanced camera, which some say it can read a license plate from 80,000 feet above the ground. But the SR-72 was developed for striking targets at hypersonic speed. This means it can launch hypersonic missile, hitting any target in the world within an hour. Subscribe for more, like and share. Don't forget to hit the notification button to be notified when we drop another video.